Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed about host listener decorator and how it works. In this video, we are going to talk about the host binding decorator. The host binding decorator is a decorator that binds a host element property to a variable in a component or a directive. Let's learn it through an example. So for that, we will have to go to the terminal and create a directive like any directive, like the style directive. Now inside the style directive, we will use the host binding decorator to bind the host element property to the variables inside our components or the directives. Like here we will say style dot color. We want to change the color of the host element or the element which will be used by this host binding decorator. Color of type string is equal to red. Now when we use the app style decorator or the selector name inside the any HTML element, then our color will be changed to red. So here we will say app style and here we will say I'm red or anything like that. So now if we run our application, so as you can see, this is the element which is red default by default because this is coming from this. Now we will change it to blue because we are having conflict with that. So now if we refresh this, as you can see, this is blue colored element and its content is blue because this is coming from this style directive here. Let's comment this. So this is blue coming from this style directive. We can also use, like, if we want to change the font size or anything like that, any styling, style dot font size. Here we will copy this and we'll say font size of type string is equal to 30 px. Now let's see what happens. So as you can see, its font has also been applied and it is changed to 30 px. Now we will use the host binding or the host listener decorator to make it more easier to learn. And so here we will say mouse over. So when the user hovers over the elements, like here we have this element and we want the both styles being applied, like we don't want to directly apply here, we want the host listener decorator to apply the styling. Like we want to change the color from black to, like here we will say this dot color is equal to this blue, and also we don't want to use the px value here, we will say this dot font size is equal to 30 px. We can also use host listener for when the user leaves the element. mouse leave here we will say this dot color is equal to the color that was initially, and this dot font size is equal to the initial font size. Like here we will say maybe the font size is 15 px. So now when we hover over the element, as you can see, its color is now changed to blue, and now its font size is also changed to 30 px. Now when we leave the mouse, or when we go away from this element, its color is also turned back to its original color, and its font size has been changed to 15 px. Now we can use it 20 px. So when we hover over this, its color is changed to blue, and font size has been changed to 30 px. And when we leave this element, its color is turned back to its original color, and its font size has been reduced to 25 px. So this is how the host binding decorator binds a host element property to a variable inside our component. Like here we will say anything, like this is the app style, which is coming from this style directive, and gives us the accessibility to change the appearance of our DOM elements. In the next video, we will start learning the pipes and how they work.